Okay, here we are, part 3 of the house tour. This is nighttime, and I wanted to show you how the inside is illuminated in the nighttime. This is the upstairs. That was the bathroom in there. And then you see we got these little starlights everywhere. And actually there's one big stairway light here. Let's see if I can turn this off. And then maybe, yeah, that's better. So here's the Trinity hanging starlights in the open space. And then all these other ones up here, little tiny ones, go all the way around and into the bathroom. So, you know, it's not really for the purpose of illumination so much as it is for aesthetics. There are some other lights up here if you want. There's 2 lights beside the bed, and then this big one by the stairs. But yeah, just wanted to show you that nighttime view of the upstairs with the starlights. And that's it. Give me a shout if you have any questions or you want me to talk about anything in particular. So, beautiful night. Ciao for now.